Hey, Nate with Bluesoft here. So today I want to show you how to quickly get your QR code that's linked over to your Google Business profile so that people can more easily leave you a review. Some things that you can do is you could print that QR code out onto a business card so that people can scan it and leave a review, or you can just open it up right on your phone so that customers can scan it right from their phone, and that'll take them right over to your Google Business profile, and it'll open up in a pop-up, so it'll allow them to quickly and easily leave a review. More reviews, the better. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure you're logged into the email that is associated or manages your Google Business profile. Once you do that, you can quickly Google your business name. Plus, you may have to do the city and state to get it to actually fire. Once you do that, it should look just like this right here. And right here, all you do is click ask for reviews right there, and boom, there it is. You can send them this link, or again, you can just have them scan the QR code right here. There are a lot of cool things that you can do with it. Here's an example right here. We put this on a card for one of our clients so that he can just hand this card out to his customers, and it's going to help them more easily leave a review. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cool tips. Talk to you soon.